How's it going, good friends? Welcome, new subscribers. I'm Brian from Apex Detail. Just a short, quick, simple video today. If you have a car that has floor mats that slide up underneath the pedals, or if you have a shop and you want to carry something simple for your customers that have the same problem, because not only does it look ugly, it can be quite dangerous. They can either pick up and lay back down on top of your gas pedal, or they can get crumpled up under your clutch or brake pedal, which is just as bad. So I will go with these. These are the Eagle Klaw floor mat fasteners, made right here in the USA. A very hard plastic, a strong plastic, and as you can see here, it has 5 arms with claws on them, or talons that dig down into your carpet and will anchor the unit and your floor mat and keep it from sliding under the pedals. What's included in the kit are 5 claws or talons that act as anchors, 4 cap screws, 4 washers, and a tool that you can use to create or punch your own hole through a mat that may not have such a feature. Flat on one end so you can tap it with a hammer, and sharp on the other so it will penetrate a carpet or plastic floor mat. If your floor mat already has holes or inserts for the holes, you're going to be set in about 3 to 5 minutes. Simply insert the cap screw from the top down through the bottom, and in a lot of cases the inserts will have enough room where the cap will be flush and it will set in there nicely. Underneath you have the option of using a washer if you have enough thread. A lot of the bases for the inserts will act as a washer, so you may not need it. I'll do one install on this side with the washer, and I'll show you how you can use the claw, the cap, and the base without a washer on the other end. Simply grab the base or the claw itself, turn it clockwise onto the threads until it catches, and thread it up on there nice and snug. No need to over tighten. Remember, it's just plastic. So on this side we have the washer, and it lifts up the base or the claw a little bit, gives it some elevation off the carpet. If you want to keep it a little bit more flush, you could use it without the washer, and you'll see a difference. It sets a little bit lower, sets nice and flat on the floor of your car. Last part of the installation is simply to get them to your car and fit them in where you want them, and step firmly onto the top of the cap screw and the claw to get it to catch and anchor itself into the carpet of your car or truck. You'll feel an obvious tug when you go to remove the mat. When you go to detail your car a little bit later, it does anchor itself quite nicely. When it comes to rubber mats, they fit just as nice. If it already has a hole, you're set. I very rarely use the washer, to be honest. I like it to fit flush down onto the carpet, and you'll be done, inserted, and installed in about 3 minutes. If you do not have holes in either your carpet floor mat or your rubber floor mat, here is a tool that will help. Simply pick out where you want the anchor to be, place the tool on top with the sharp end down towards the mat, grab a nice size hammer and start tapping on it until it goes through. It's quite sharp. Watch your fingers. If you have a table that you care about that you're working on, make sure there's a piece of wood underneath, because when it goes through it will leave a mark. It will go through quickly, and it makes the perfect size hole for the cap screw to slide in there nice and tight, and simply insert the base or the claw from there. Snug them up just a little bit before you place the mat into your car or truck. No need to over tighten. You can use a flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of those laying around, you don't have to worry about that. Just grab a coin, a dime or penny or nickel. It'll slide in there. The base of the cap screw is even curved, so you can fit a penny in there quite nicely and snug it down. Okay guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate. They do include an extra claw in the pack. The only problem I've ever had, and this was in a commercial truck where heavy boots and equipment were thrown inside, was a talon might chip or break off. So they do throw an extra claw in the pack, in the kit itself, to replace that. Now, they do come in different colors: black, tan, beige, gray, to match your interior. I will put a link down below for the Eagle Claw. Brian from Apex Detail. Have a good day. See you in the next video.